Now we're on to the next segment, which is my favorite, modifying your car, right? Now, in this segment, we're gonna kind of talk about what we've done with this car, but also the possibilities. If you don't have an electric car, we can go even deeper into what we can actually do. Let's talk about what we've completed. As you see here, the car looks 100% different than what it looked like before. We lowered the car. We actually added on a full coilover setup from KW Suspension. When we order from KW Suspension, it already comes preset for the particular car that we are going to be adding the suspension to. So this is already preset, but if this customer decides he would like to take it to the track or a lot of spirited driving, he can fine tune it to his liking and his driving style. Next, we have a lot of carbon that we've added onto the actual car. We have full Vorsteiner front lip. We've also added this beautiful carbon fiber Vorsteiner side skirt. And then back here, we have your more aggressive gloss carbon fiber Vorsteiner rear trunk spoiler, and then a very, very, very aggressive rear diffuser. This might not be to everyone's liking. We have some more conservative kits that we can offer you. And then we have something like this, which is a little bit more aggressive. Again, it all comes down to what you're liking and what your goals are and what you would like your vehicle to look like. And then finally, as you see here, you no longer have the stock wheels on here. We wanted to give it a nice little splash of color. Instead of sticking with the neutral colors of white and then also black with the carbon fiber, we wanted to go ahead and give it a splash of an additional color, which is satin bronze wheels from HRE, and this time we went with the flow form wheels. You can go with a multi-piece wheel, and that will give you the chance to really customize different finish lip, different color lip, and then also go with a different finish or different color face. In addition to that, again, we take care of the simple details, hence the name. We went ahead and we added on custom titanium lug nuts as well. So that's a nice little splash of black titanium. It will not corrode, it will not rust, and it gives it a little bit more lighter unsprung weight when it comes down to the wheels itself. As you see here, all the emblems, we have actually swapped them out for satin black emblems as well, instead of the chrome that comes with the car. So now basically it goes with the theme of everything that we're going. I wanted to kind of touch bases, kind of go over what the possibilities are for you. Again, the possibilities are endless when it comes down to modifying your car. We are retailers for almost every automotive manufacturer that's out there. And so we have really, really, really strong and good partnerships with a lot of companies out there, and we want to make sure that we are delivering exactly what you envision. If you decide that you would like to go ahead and customize your car, you want to get something, you want to have it protected and then also customize at the same time, which stops you from having to jump from shop to shop to shop to shop to go ahead and get your vision to fruition. Then we can actually go ahead, set up a consultation, sit down, speak to you about what your vision is, and then we can kind of help to direct you. Tune into the next segment right below on how we're now going to protect what you see here before you. We want to make sure that everything that he invested is now protected from the elements. Stay tuned.